G'day, here's a deal of Boulder Opal that's been put together as a mine run parcel. Some of the pieces have better opal than others, some of it's just like potch and that's about it, but you might as well have them. The parcel's priced on what I think you might get out of it, which is no guarantees. I can't see inside the stone. I'll zoom in. Okay, I've zoomed in, material's been wetted. Make a nice little pendant perhaps. Just needs the edge cut off. Be careful with this stuff, it's like obsidian. That top needs to be ground off that to see if there's colour. Nothing much else. Again, that top needs to be ground off to reveal the layer of, or the seam of opal there. This piece is nothing much. It's good material to learn to practice how to read the seams. It's with the black opal you're following the colour bar. With this you're actually just trying to get down to the colour layer. So with something like that you could cut the top off, end up with a little stone there, then chase the seam. This is probably nothing much, but in saying that, when you grind down closer to the bottom here you might end up with colour. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, I just needed to wet the material a bit more to give you can see the seams of colour there in that piece. Again, this is a bit better piece perhaps. Whether that colour goes under there or whether it's split off, it's a bit hard to tell. I'm literally looking at this material the same time as you're seeing it. It's really nothing much. Like I say, rather give it to you than throw it out. It's a bit better piece. Bit of colour down in the bottom half there. I think I've showed you that piece. The material was wetted if I failed to say. Cheers.